Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about parameters. Parameters are easy to use and are very helpful for your dashboards, worksheets and charts. Parameters enable you to capture user input on your worksheets and dashboards. So you can use them in calculated fields or you can use them as reference lines in your charts. Parameter control elements can be added to dashboards that will add user interactivity to your dashboard. One potential use case for parameters is a what-if analysis. Let's try this with the Superstore data. For example, you might be interested in looking at different sales growth scenarios. To create a parameter, you need to click this arrow on the data pane. And the second option is Create Parameter. A dialog box for the new parameter appears. Let's call this parameter Factor. Set the type to float. Define a current value as 1.1 and set the allowable values to range and minimum to 0.1 and then set maximum to 2. And then to create this parameter, you click OK. The newly created parameter will appear at the bottom of the data pane in a new parameter section. To add the parameters control element to the view, open the parameter context menu by right-clicking, and then second option is Show Parameter. Choose Show Parameter. Now the Show Parameter control appears on the right side of the Tableau window. In this case, you get a slide control labeled Factor. Using this slider, the end user can now set the value for the factor, choosing from values between 0.1 to 2. So far, the example parameter doesn't do anything. What you want to do, of course, is use the value set via the parameter control to calculate adjusted sales revenue figures. For example, what if revenue were to double? To do so, we need to create first a new calculated field with the name Adjusted Sales. So we click here and create new calculated field. And let's call this new calculated field as Adjusted Sales. And we are going to use the following formula: sum sales times factor. The purple formatting of the factor field in the editor of the calculated field is an indication that it's a parameter. And then we apply and click OK. Now drag the calculated field adjusted sales to the columns and add the subcategory dimension to rows. If you like, you can sort the bars by their length. Now you have created a what-if analysis. The values can be adjusted by changing the growth factor in the parameter control. So you can, as you see, change the factor and the values are going to be adjusted when you change the growth factor. So this is how you can use parameters in a calculated field. Thank you for watching this video.